Elliot has a strop on. Elliot's seen better days. Do we need another fire?
Huh?
Do we need another fire? I feel like there's going to be a lot of...
we don't need another fire.
Oh, okay.
What are we doing?
Where's the fuel tank then, Mont?
Green?
It'd be over there. It'd be under the rear... It'd be under the rear wheels, wouldn't it? Surely it's here.
Should we just cut that with a grind? We need that battery grinder, Mont.
What, to grind at the fuel tank? You right there?
Are you going to get this out today?
Looks like it.
I don't think there's going to be anything under here, is there? I know that.
Hang on.
Usually there's a bit more to it than
No,
that.
you actually might.
I swear the fuel tanks are here.
Ooh.
Things that do stuff.
Well, no, there's only 4 wires.
Mysteries. 2 mysteries. I don't know.
Fuel gauge.
Should we just try 24 volts? Because the fuel gauge don't need to work. So.
No, don't 24 volts it.
No, 12 volts. 12, it's not a lorry.
Jesus Christ.
It gets a bit brutal with 24 volts.
It's not charged.
No, the rear light. Oh my God. Is this weight reduction now?
Just get up and lean over a bit easier now.
Stop hitting stuff. Stop being...
There's no power in the battery, is there?
That's a very battery.
It just needs a good run.
Should we start it and give it a run?
Yeah, if we just grab the key.
Yeah. Even he's onto the joke now. Look at that enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Monty's on the floor and Elliot is in the back probing the arse of a leprechaun.
I've just given him 12 volts.
Monty's just unplugging things.
I've never noticed this before.
What's that?
I don't know.
Looks like the ECU.
That's the ECU.
Oh.
I wonder what this is. Do you come out with these?
No.
If you ask it kindly or swear at it, then yes.
Ooh.
Yank it.
Yank it.
Yes,
You
yank
sure?
it. Yes.
It's broken. It's got 2 little relays in.
For what?
I don't know, but there's many pins. But I reckon we should try and start it now.
Well, that did actually go a bit softer, that, but... Oh.
Have you plugged that back in the back?
It's only the fuel gauge. That is not
Okay.
nothing more than a fuel gauge.
Yeah, you've already done a good job of undoing the filter.
24 volt, yeah?
No.
What pipe? What pipe?
That little one down there.
Nothing.
Oh. Was it smoke? I think the starter's starting to go smoky.
No, it's not.
There was some smoke from something.
I don't think anything came out, so where does that pipe go?
That's an injector pipe. It tells us this is not opening up. So we need power.
Which one of them wires is power?
The red one.
So they're not like solenoids in there then?
Probably.
Can we just like liven the solenoids or something?
Yes, but we don't know which one.
Well, all of them. Sorry, they all want power.
The trouble is, it's also the throttle, because the Peugeot, for some reason, yes, it's a right-hand drive car. We're going to do a throttle cable, but we're going to do it over here, and then have a sensor, then transform that into a signal, and run that over here somewhere to power it.
Well, I'd say that the red and white is throttle cables through the fact that these are red and white, I think. That's my theory. And yellow. Is there a yellow wire there?
There's a little yellow.
No, big yellow. Big yellow.
It doesn't look that big.
Big yellow.
I've got a big yellow over here.
So you just want that plastic cover off, yeah?
Don't break anything underneath it.
Is this a technical way?
Yeah. Peugeot approved. I've actually been a Peugeot mechanic for several years.
No, not that!
Oh my god.
Well, it's the same bit, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's in.
Don't hit
If
that.
you break the electronics on it, it will not start. Well done, you broke off a tab.
There's going to be so many bits in the engine, you'll be trying to go
So why did the engine
catch
catch
fire.
fire?
Get in there, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, it is.
It's just ripping. It's just...
Why are you doing that?
We want it to make more noise, don't we?
Yeah, but we're trying to get the thing to stop.
Look, we've got to get this done at some point. We may as well do it now.
No. Ah, bro.
Oh, I've made it a messy engine bay. Seems there's a rat living under here.
I did say originally it smelt a bit like a rat had lived in it.
Yeah, it has definitely been an animal.
It was a dead rat.
Oh my god.
How did they get all them leaves in there is what I want to know.
You're such a knob, you're actually sometimes.
If we just set fire to it, burn up.
Is that all gone in the filter as well?
Yep. What? I unplugged that and the fan got. Stop it!
It's now like my Peugeot, the fan comes on for no reason.
I think that might be to do something with the temperature.
I would say so as well.
What about this one though? Ding!
It's always you that gets dinged. Why don't I get you dinged?
Because I'm popular and you're not.
I want dings. And dongs, and wongs, and wangs.
Wangs?
Or wangs.
He had me at dongs. You could just shut the boot. Yeah.
Oh mate, what? Oh, there we go. Ding.
Right. Oh, it's not even in there. What I'm going to do,
That's what she said.
It's getting an earth somehow.
I'm going to turn the
onto
ignition
here.
off and then back
I think
on
you're
again.
touching
Hang
the
on.
earth.
No, it's what he's doing.
No.
And that one. Go again.
Oh! Got some bolts there.
Not that one. Even though we do get a...
Hey, sparks!
What was that? Does that work if I do this?
No respect for my cars at all.
What the hell? It's just clicking.
We've got a serious wiring fault going on here, haven't we?
Sounds like it's ticking.
That's all ticking.
Because you're not even because you're shorting there, have you?
But look!
Give it to me.
Is that falling through the...
He's just ripping the ECU out.
Well...
Meanwhile, Elliot, look at that up. Knocks it into engine bay. What are you doing?
Accessing wires.
Right, I've got an interior light.
Ooh.
I want to know what this is. All the wiring goes into there.
And what comes out of it?
Exactly. What comes out of it?
What is this? Some sort of pipe.
Is that a pipe?
It looks like a pipe. Is that the fuel solenoid?
And then it goes.
I take it the fuel pump is connected still.
That's all these
Oh my god.
goes to all here, isn't it?
Is this actually a fuel related?
This might be. This is a fuel related item. That's what's wrong with it. It's got a Mercedes badge on it.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
I
That's a
reckon.
confusing plug.
I think we should power up the middle one.
The middle one, there's two.
You know why? You're on one anyway.
He wasn't live in the wrong one the whole time, was he?
I was in the totally wrong plug.
What, the first time round?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, go on. Elliot, try that. Stop, 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 stop!
Try it. That just tried to fire though, didn't it?
Yes, it did. That's why I was shouting to stop, because I've got a fuel pipe off. We've got high pressure fuel squirting to the straight on top of the starter motor.
More smoke?
So you actually got fuel coming out of it?
Yeah. This was a mint car until you brought it. Which, to be fair, it was.
Yeah, it was well looked after.
Then Elliot came!
And lost the key.
Oh my
Because that's
god.
what Elliot does best.
I feel like there's something else we're missing. running as a Peugeot should! Oh my god. The 7%.
We've got Hayden on the case, the man behind the camera normally, who's getting a bit brutal.
I don't know, why has it got this in it? What does this do?
Oh, don't worry about that. Get out.
Gone. Choppy choppy. Cutty cutty. Snappy snappy. We're getting in there, lads. Oh. Oh.
Go!
Power! Woo! Yeah! That's running!
No, it's not. It's really not. Alright. Alright.
He's lost it.
We're so close.
So is it this?
I don't know. The trouble is, that looks like a sealed unit, and that looks like we don't know what it does.
No.
But I'm going to put power into it and find out anyway.
Yes.
And then fit in and go cry, because it's now useless and we're going to put a manual pump on it. You have actually made a mess of that wing. I haven't actually seen it in the light.
Is that running?
Right, stop. Right, the good news is it was running then. I've worked out which way around the wires were meant to be, but we sucked all the air in.
Oh.
No, you're doing it wrong.
I'm starting to feel slightly sad for it. Oh my god.
Hold up. Good effort. Have a team effort.
You still got that?
Oh well. Try again another time.
Yeah.
We're a bit closer.
I feel sorry for Hayden who's got to edit all of this. There's so much, isn't there?
And it's just all the... Oh, I don't know what to keep that in. What if that poor guy watches it? What are they doing? Or someone who really wanted a 306 wing mirror in grey.
406.
406 wing mirror in grey.
Well, you can have
Or a wing that wasn't dented to replace theirs. No! Or someone who's an avid 406 enthusiast. That sounds quite empty.
Yeah.
What if it's just run out of fuel?